Okay, and since I've got my digging tools out here and my whole setup, as I told you, I'm going to do an inspection. Since I got that stuff out, I'm going to dig this up, find out where the drip irrigation pipe is, and see how it comes in and how it exits this area. I've dug this down once upon a time to check things, and now I'm digging it up again. Sometimes you have to do certain things like that. And had I have not dug up, after I dug all these bushes out and I wanted to check out the main drip irrigation line as well as all the bubblers that were attached to the drip irrigation lines, I never would have come across that that little chase. And you know, the more time you spend in your landscaped areas, the more you know how the previous landscaper, the initial landscaper, installed everything. I've done quite a bit of digging around here, checking different things out, so I know a lot more than I did when we moved in here maybe 8 years ago. You see what I mean? And so, see this hole here? I've dug this area out at least twice. I've dug this area out at least 3 times to fix different things. Initially, I just wanted to fix this sprinkler. This sprinkler was coming up and it wasn't coming up straight, and I could tell, I could see existing roots growing over there that had come off of that tree. The first time I dug all this stuff up, the only thing I was concerned about was fixing the sprinkler, and I got it all fixed, and I had to dig up the concrete mowing strips and had to reinstall them and level them and get the roots out of there and cut the roots back here and take all these bricks. These bricks went way up high at an angle. They went way up, about an inch and a half higher than that, because the roots had raised it up. So I had to take everything out from there to about there. I did that first, fixed the trim, and then I got my sprinkler fixed. Well, then something else happened, and I wanted to find out where all the drippers were. And then last, as you saw the other day, I wanted to get that root out because I thought there was 4 electrical wires here, 2 for the lights, landscape lights, and I thought there was 2 there that went on over to some water valves that are controlled by the timer inside the garage. Okay, where those wires come, I do not know, because I thought they came from there, but they don't. Okay, so some things I still don't know, but that's okay. Hey, you just work and do the best you can with your conditions and what you have, and go from there. And that's what I'm doing. I'm going the extra mile, bringing in another wire to get lights over there, being able to add lights over there, being able to add a light over here. Okay, and little by little, I'll get her.